Airships are making a comeback after a century of absence, and they're more versatile than ever. These days, they function as multi-purpose flying hubs. They bring connectivity to far-off areas and monitor climate change using state-of-the-art gear. Skye's airships are a game-changer in our efforts to make Earth a better place. They relay signals straight to mobile devices. It's more cost-efficient to keep these blimps aloft than to clear land for communication towers. Additionally, from their high vantage point, these massive Skai airships gather data on plant health, soil makeup, and greenhouse gas levels. This helps in forecasting natural disasters and planning strategies to tackle climate change. We're on the brink of an exciting time when old technologies are being revived to serve a greater cause, safeguarding our shared home. On July the 20th, the world got to see another incredible innovation. The renowned motorcycle maker Kawasaki unveiled their first model with a hydrogen internal combustion engine. The prototype conquered the Suzuka circuit, showing it could keep up with its gasoline counterparts. However, this hydrogen motorcycle is a bit larger in size. The chassis had to be extended and widened to accommodate the 998 cubic centimeter engine, with direct hydrogen fuel injection into the cylinders, along with several substantial tanks. The project kicked off in March 2023, and in less than 16 months, engineers managed to develop and test their creation. Now, only one question remains: where can you refuel this Kawasaki? Former Apple employees Bethany Bongiorno and Imran Chowdhury have taken on all global smartphone manufacturers with their startup, Humane. They've just revealed their first invention, the AI Pin. Weighing only 50 grams, it attaches to clothes with a magnet. This tiny device packs a microphone, a camera, and a projector to display information right on your palm. It's controlled with gestures and runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and the Cosmos operating system. It connects to Microsoft and OpenAI's models. Some journalists have even dubbed it an alternative to a smartphone. The AI Pin can answer questions, find information, take photos, translate text and speech, send messages, and play music. It's priced at $699. On top of that, there's a monthly subscription of $24 for a phone number and cell phone service. This domestic robot first made headlines a few years back when its prototype was unveiled. Now, the manufacturer claims it's 100% ready for the market. It's become a bit more charming and a lot smarter. The Astribot S1 can clean the house, entertain pets, and even cook. In a presentation video, it's shown making waffles and hosting a tea ceremony. We're not sure if customers in the US and Europe will appreciate these features, but those in the East likely will. Equipped with advanced AI, the robot can make quick decisions, and its sharp cameras help it navigate around the house. In recent years, there have been some significant strides in the field of robotics. One area that's seen remarkable progress is machines designed to interact with humans. A great example of this is Emo, a robot fitted with a silicon face. Emo has the ability to make eye contact and can even anticipate a person's smile 840 milliseconds before it actually appears. While this might seem like a small detail, it greatly enhances cooperation between humans and robots, fostering an atmosphere of trust. The development of Emo took place at Columbia University. The team of scientists behind the project faced two major challenges: creating a mechanically complex and expressive face, and calculating the perfect moment to express emotion. The project turned out to be so successful that now the silicon-faced robot could very well find itself participating in acting auditions in Hollywood. Worthington has been making floating debris barriers for over 25 years. In that time, they've built, tested and installed numerous systems in 65 countries worldwide, so they've got a lot of experience. The company offers several highly effective water barrier models. The most popular ones are designed to keep hydroelectric power plants and dams free from clogging. You don't need to be an engineer to understand the potential issues a log caught in a turbine can cause. Worthington's executives emphasize that their barrier designs are robust and adaptable, ensuring customers find the right fit. Their most common systems are Tough Boom, Odin Boom, Boat Buster, and Odin Float. You can easily spot them by their yellow floats on the water. Here's an innovative technology from Denmark. The Wavepiston modular system tackles two global issues at once. First, it helps desalinate seawater, and second, it converts wave motion into energy. The system is made up of structures stretching from deep waters to the coast. Powerful pumps gather salty, unusable water and send it to purification facilities on shore. After a few cycles, the water is ready for use. Large, cable-mounted screens generate electricity as they sway with the waves, much like solar panels or wind turbines. Currently, the technology is being tested off the coast of Spain. In time, it could significantly disrupt the market for processing oil into fuel. How many tubes of glue would it take to hold a 16-kilogram weight on the ceiling? 10? 20? Surprisingly, just a few drops will do the trick with this clever reusable glue developed by scientists in Singapore. It's 10 times stronger than the grip of a gecko's feet. It works on both smooth and rough surfaces. This invention happened by chance when researchers noticed that a certain polymer could transform into hair-like fibers and hold massive weights. But here's the cool part. If you heat it with a hairdryer, it instantly peels off without leaving a trace. The tests are amazing. The scientists even trust it enough to do pull-ups on bars held by this glue. If Grandma isn't up for climbing Mount Everest with her grandkids, it's probably because she hasn't discovered Mogo pants yet. These pants come with a motor at the knee joint, making it easier to climb stairs and mountains. The creators insist that the pants are both comfortable and stylish. Made from ultralight carbon fiber, the motor's energy is transferred to the leg via an adjustable cuff, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. Mogo pants reduce strain on the thigh and hamstring muscles. They activate instantly when support is needed and deactivate when it's not. With a battery life of over 3 hours, they provide confidence during long hikes. The simple interface allows for easy power adjustments. Soon, experienced climbers will be amazed by Grandma's confident stride. Large businesses, farms and utility companies can really benefit from the SolarXOne drone. It's designed to look like an airplane, with its large wings fitted with solar panels. These panels charge the drone's batteries using sunlight, significantly boosting its airtime. The drone is set up to transmit a cellular signal, and its electronics can be seamlessly integrated into existing networks. Additionally, SolarXOne can help monitor climate change. In case of events like volcanic eruptions, having this gadget overhead could be a real advantage. The creators of the project explain that the drone is fully automated, but also has the capability to work in tandem with an operator. This means that one person can manage multiple drones from a central command center. The VAYU 1 robot could make a great psychologist, but for now, it's tasked with making deliveries. At the store, it listens carefully to the staff and follows them to gather items. Once loaded up, it hits the city streets and heads to hungry customers. Instead of knocking on doors, it leaves the packages in the driveway. There's no chance to thank it, as it's already off to the next stop. The creators say that they merged two of their previous innovations, the VAYU Sense and the VAYU Drive, in one model, the VAYU 1. This delivery bot isn't cheap, though. It's equipped with AI and touchscreen controls, and let's not overlook its cool futuristic design. It certainly turns heads. Xiaomi has really ambitious plans. The Chinese company aims to shake up the world of high-tech goods. They've already opened 2 factories where robots build cell phones entirely on their own, with no human help. The Changping Smart Factory has a massive capacity, capable of churning out more than 10 million devices per year. In comparison, the previous factory could only manage 1 million in the same time frame. Impressively, all the equipment in the factory is manufactured by Xiaomi itself. The robots are tasked with assembling the Xiaomi 14, the 14 Pro, and the 14 Ultra flagship models. In addition to assembly, these factories will also be equipped with testing areas. However, humans won't be allowed in these either. The first time anyone will get to see the new smartphones will be when they unbox them at home. It remains to be seen how other market giants like Samsung, Apple, and Huawei react to this innovative approach. This vehicle isn't exactly a helicopter or a car. Instead, it's designed to transport passengers through the air over short distances. For example, from a country home to an office. It's called Skai, and its specifications are quite impressive. It can reach a maximum speed of 185 km per hour and has a range of up to 240 km. However, the most significant innovation lies in its powertrain. Skai's engine runs on liquid hydrogen, making it environmentally friendly. Refueling takes less than 10 minutes, which is a notable advantage. The designers of Skai emphasize that its mechanisms feature fail-safe redundancy. Key systems, including rotors, fuel cells, and onboard computers, feature triple redundancy. This means that even if there are failures, the vehicle can still safely complete its flight. In case of an emergency, Skai is equipped with a parachute system that can safely lower the transport to the ground. Additionally, the body and cabin materials, including the cushioned seats, are designed to ensure passenger safety in the event of a hard landing. Of course, Skai operates on autopilot, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety for its users. Solar energy is becoming a crucial source for drinking water, especially in regions where fresh water is scarce. Solar Water Solutions is designed specifically for these areas and operates almost entirely off the grid, generating its own electricity. All it takes is setting up the solar panels on a beach. The desalination units are compact, they fit into a single container and don't require much space. The creators of Solar Water Solutions are proud to have already made a difference by helping a hospital in southern Madagascar and farms in Antigua and Barbuda, a small Caribbean country. After all, what could be a cooler power source than the sun? At the start of 2023, the world was buzzing about Sony's new VR2 headset. But technology has already moved on. The company Sightful has introduced an incredible invention, the Spacetop, an AR laptop without a traditional monitor. Instead, it comes with a pair of glasses. When users wear them, they can see their surroundings and also project multiple screens in front of them. Imagine having an Excel spreadsheet on one screen, a Zoom call on another, and your favorite GTA game on a third. The Spacetop is packed with power. An 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB SSD. It also includes modern essentials like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and a headphone jack. all in a compact body. This device is particularly appealing to office workers. With the Spacetop, managers will never know if you're working on a report or playing Sims. This massive spherical machine is considered the world's largest space rocket builder. Manufactured by Electro Impact in Washington and delivered to Middle River, Maryland, it weighs up to 99 tons and stands 12 meters tall. After passing final tests, it's now ready to produce large composite parts for the Neutron rocket. This includes interstage panels up to 28 meters long for the first stage and 5 meters long for the second stage. The machine can lay composite fiber at speeds up to 100 meters per minute. It features a real-time automatic quality inspection system that detects even the smallest defects and alerts the operator. Using AFP Machine will cut rocket construction time by over 150,000 hours. This new high-tech controller for VR games is called UDCAP, and it looks like an ordinary glove. This controller syncs quickly with virtual reality headsets and works with any Steam VR games. It uses unique elastic sensors that replace traditional IMU sensors and copper wires. Each glove covers all 15 finger joints and provides 21 joint angles. The UDCAP also has vibration motors that provide haptic feedback to make game interactions feel more realistic. Made from lightweight, breathable fabric, the glove is washable, because the electronic parts can be detached. The battery lasts for 15 hours, just enough to tackle a puzzle in Half-Life Alyx. The UDCAP starts at $499. The creators of this morphing wheel drew inspiration from liquid droplets. They all agreed that the flexible structure was perfect and started working on making it a reality. The main component of the wheel is an elastic honeycomb connected by wire spokes to a central hub. The length of the spokes changes, causing the honeycomb to stretch or compress accordingly. When driving on a flat surface, the wheel takes on a round shape. However, when tackling off-road terrain, it adapts to match the shape of the obstacles it encounters. During tests of a wheelchair equipped with these shape-shifting wheels, it was discovered that the wheelchair could overcome obstacles nearly 1.5 times the radius of the wheel. The wheelchair itself weighed 120 kilograms and moved effortlessly over uneven, grassy terrain. It seems like it won't be long before this innovative technology finds its way into SUVs. Meet the world's smallest remote-controlled robot. It's incredibly tiny, resembling a crab the size of the tip of a ballpoint pen. Measuring less than 0.5 millimeters in length, this miniature robot can bend, twist, crawl, and even jump. It's designed to be a valuable tool in surgical procedures, assisting with tasks such as removing tumors or clearing blocked arteries. These electric insects are crafted from shape memory alloys and are controlled using lasers. However, there's another innovative technology in the realm of miniature robots. These ant-like robots are designed to move using vibrations generated by ultrasound. Their legs are equipped with sensitive bristles that can detect sound waves, enabling them to move either individually or in groups. Much like their crab-inspired counterparts, these ant-like robots hold great promise for applications in medicine.